Welcome back to our channel, where we believe that building a powerful gaming PC doesn't have to break the bank. In today's video, we'll show you how to build an impressive gaming rig for under $500. Get ready to experience smooth gameplay without emptying your wallet. Our PC build starts with the powerful AMD Ryzen 5500G processor. With 6 cores and 12 threads, it delivers excellent performance for gaming and multitasking. This processor offers best-in-class graphics performance in a desktop processor, making it perfect for smooth 1080p gaming without the need for a dedicated graphics card. It's bundled with the AMD Wraith Stealth Cooler for efficient cooling. The AMD Radeon RX 588G is our choice for the graphics card. It's a mainstream gaming GPU built on the 14nm process, based on the Polaris 20 graphics processor. With 2048 stream processors and 8GB GDDR5 memory, it delivers the fastest, smoothest, and most power-efficient gaming experiences. It supports DirectX 12 and offers multiple interfaces, including 2x DisplayPort 1.4a and 1x HDMI 2.0b, allowing for high-definition and multi-monitor setups. The motherboard we've chosen is the ASUS Prime B450-A. Designed for the advanced socket AM4 platform, it provides a solid foundation for your PC build. It supports Ryzen 5000, 3rd, 2nd, 1st Gen AMD Ryzen CPUs, and offers features such as USB 3.2 Gen 2 with 10 gigabits per second transfer speed. It also features optimized cooling with VRM and PCH heatsinks for enhanced stability. For smooth multitasking and optimal performance, we've included 8GB of DDR4 RAM. This memory provides a solid foundation for gaming and multitasking, allowing you to run multiple applications simultaneously without any lag. It ensures faster data access and smoother performance overall. To ensure fast boot times and quick access to your favorite games, we've included a 240GB solid-state drive, SSD. This SSD offers high-speed data transfer, reducing loading times and providing a responsive computing experience. A reliable and efficient power supply is essential for the stability and longevity of your PC. Our choice is a 450-watt power supply that delivers ample power to all your components, ensuring smooth and stable operation during intense gaming sessions. Your PC case plays a crucial role in housing and protecting your components. With a budget of around $40, there are many cases available that offer good airflow, cable management, and a stylish design. You can choose one that suits your preferences and provides adequate space for your components. And there you have it. We've explored the key components of our $500 gaming PC build. By combining the powerful AMD Ryzen 5500G processor, the AMD Radeon RX 588G graphics card, the ASUS Prime B450-A motherboard, and carefully selected memory, storage, power supply, and PC case, you can create a budget-friendly gaming rig that delivers excellent performance. Remember, you can also use components of your preference. Remember to check the video description for the complete list of components used in this build, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Don't forget to check the compatibility of all these items. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!